Guys, as I told you, I was expecting a breakout out of our falling wedge sooner than later. And within the last 4 hours, we saw that breakout and Bitcoin pumped rapidly up to our price target of $48,000. If you want to know what the Bitcoin price is going to do next and why I expect even a pump up to $50,000 in the near future, then stick around till the very end of this video, because during this video I will also show you a new chart pattern that I haven't shown you this week or at all before. So stick around for that as well, and I will definitely give you a big update on my trades since I scaled them up already since we broke out of this new chart pattern I'm going to show you. And I'm sitting right now on around $8.2 million worth of long positions, and they are doing quite well. We are up again almost $1 million in profit, so they are really looking good. But enough of the talking, let's just jump right into the charts. As always guys, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, if you could share it with your friends, if you could leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. But let's just jump right into it. As you remember, in my last video I mentioned that there are different ways to draw in our symmetrical triangle that you can see here in the white lines and also the white dotted lines. The white dotted lines represent the different versions of the symmetrical triangle that I have seen in the past, depending on what trader we are looking at, and especially on what time frame those traders are trading. This symmetrical triangle definitely looked very different. The good news is that with all three versions we are already back inside the symmetrical triangle. So as long as we hold above the $45,900 level, we will have a successful 4-hourly close inside of all those symmetrical triangles. So we can really say Bitcoin definitely turned bullish here, because we also, as you can see here with the white lines, we formed a big W pattern which just broke out around maybe an hour ago. That's why I'm recording this video so quickly and so early in the evening, even though my first video of the day isn't that old yet. But as you can see, we broke the neckline and we had a huge pump to the upside, and we didn't reach our price target yet for the W pattern. The price target of the W pattern is almost $48,000. We haven't reached our price target of our falling wedge yet, which is actually exactly $48,000. So we have two very, very bullish chart patterns that just broke out, and both of them also had a confirmed breakout, as long as we don't dump over $1,000 in the next hour. And as soon as we open the next candle, I assume that we will reach those price targets and then finally also break out of this symmetrical triangle. But still, as we know, there's always a small chance that everything goes different. So we will just have to keep an eye on the charts, because we just want to see if Bitcoin is able to break this downwards sloping resistance in a kind of way of our symmetrical triangle. As long as we can break that, I think we have nothing in our way to reach the price target of the symmetrical triangle after, which actually would be around $50,000 depending on the breakout point. If we expect a breakout maybe tomorrow or the day after, it would be around $50,000. So definitely some very, very interesting and very exciting days ahead of us. If you don't want to miss out on anything, like I said, just subscribe, activate the bell, leave this video a thumbs up, and as always guys, if we break the resistance, you know what I'm going to do. I will for sure scale up my trades and try to reach my old $10 million trade setup that I had before we had the big dump, and I sadly had to close my Ethereum trade. It still made $20,000 profit, but still I had to close out a $4 million Ethereum long, sadly. So that wasn't that optimal, but we're at $8.2 million in positions already again. So I'm pretty sure that if the bulls should be successful and break the symmetrical triangle and reach their price targets, we can easily scale them back up to a $10 million position size again. Thank you very much for your guys' support. Thank you very much for all the comments. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and for sharing the video. And I would say, guys, we will see us in the next video, depending on what's going to happen tonight. Maybe I'm even going to upload a third video today, but otherwise we will see us tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a great evening.